This is Motorola Moto G73, and today I would like to demonstrate you can bypass parental controls on this device. So before we begin any active steps, I have to mention the fact that in order for the method that will be shown today to work, you have to know the password to the child's Google account. Otherwise, unfortunately, you'll have to look up another way. So let's go ahead and start. First step is to enter the Google category of settings, then tap at the Manage Your Google Account button. Once the Google Account Management Center gets loaded, you gotta open the Data and Privacy section, and at the very bottom of the page, go for the Delete Your Google Account option. Do not be afraid, right after we will deactivate parental controls, I will show how you can recover the Google account as well. So in here, in order to proceed, we will need to type in the child's password. So let me do exactly that. Then at the following page, check those two boxes at its bottom part and go for the Delete Account button to your bottom right. From here, you can get two types of messages. You can either get this one or another one that will say something went wrong. Both are fine. You can get either of aforementioned pages or messages, so do not worry. At this point, actually, the parental controls were successfully switched off, so let me quickly prove that to you. As you can see, there is no Google account linked, and if I will go ahead and open parental controls, there will be none. So from here, as I've promised, I'm going to quickly demonstrate how you can restore your Google account. It is a fairly simple thing to do. You just gotta log with it into some of the Google apps. So at this point, I'm going to use the Google Play Store. Okay, I didn't enter the email correctly, so let me re-type it in. So if you have done everything correctly up until now, you will get the following message. So you can proceed from now, enter the password to the Google account that you are recovering at the moment, and basically 9 out of 10 times you're going to get this particular message saying that something went wrong. That is completely fine. Just redo the whole sign-in procedure. So enter your email address one more time and follow it by password. And almost every time, or almost at any given case, the second time around it lets you proceed, it lets you go through. So as you can see, I can now continue with my login, and once I undergo all the steps, as you can see, the account is again active, well, and working. So that will be it for today. Thanks for watching, and bye bye.